Good morning. I've chose to start my day at a place where Lucy works actually. It's a nice little bakery, like coffee shop. So I've just got myself a plain bagel and a green tea. You usually get it in some like nice little teapot and you know, like cute vintage plates and stuff, but when it's the summer and they're really busy they turn to takeaway stuff, so because obviously they can't keep up with the turnover of crockery, so it is just in a takeaway cup today, but it's lovely and sunny, and I don't know what else I've got planned yet, so I'm just going to tuck into my bagel and green tea. Just a nice one. Just as easy. So I've just got back home with a cream cheese bagel for Chloe, still nice and warm. I got a nice sourdough, look forward to having that later. And Brady, no, and a piece of flapjack. And Brady, I've got Brady a couple of dog biscuits that they've made as well. Do you want this? Right, you want this? You want this? Good boy. Are you taking it? This is where he usually takes his chews and stuff. For some reason, if I say go out in the garden, he always comes to this little corner. But this is only a biscuit. It's not going to take him that long to eat it. Is it nice? Ready? Why are you bending your paw over like that? So I've toasted my sourdough. Just going to drizzle, if I can, over some olive oil. And then I've got some mashed avocado, there's a spring onion and some chives in there. I'm going to put that on top of the sourdough. And then I sprinkle over some nigella seeds, if I can get some out. And this is just a way of adding a little bit of different flavour, but also adding some different nutrients to it as well. And then I'm just going to add some sesame seeds as well. I do love sesame seeds. I'm going to sprinkle some of them over. And then I've just quartered some cherry tomatoes and I've sprinkled them on top. And that is my lunch for today. And I'm going to sit out in the garden and enjoy the sunshine. Right, I've picked Lucy up from work, dropped Chloe to her boyfriend's house because I'm just borrowing her car. My car's broken, so I'm borrowing her car. So I've dropped her to his house because I am working tomorrow and I need her car. I've just popped to my allotment because I got a bag of compost which I want here for tomorrow. Just looking, this is our old allotment plot. Oh, they've cleared some stuff, but it's very overgrown. What was I saying? Yeah, because I want to sow some seeds, and I'm going to be walking here from home tomorrow because I won't have the car. So I don't want to carry this all the way from home. So I'm just dropping it off now. So it's here for tomorrow. I haven't been to the allotment. I don't think I've been to the allotment this year. But I know Mum's been down. But oh, the fence between ours and the plot next to it has come down. And it's very overgrown. So I'm gonna have to get the strimmer down here and possibly a lawnmower and sort this out. I thought I'd just come down and do some seeds tomorrow, but it's gonna need some other work doing. So we dump that on there. Yeah, so I haven't done any, you might have noticed I haven't done any allotment videos for a while. And that's because I haven't been here. Mum's obviously been here and cleared this bed out. But yeah, gonna have to get the strimmer. Well, the strimmer's there, but it hasn't got the battery on it. I'll see if Mum can charge that and I'll get it tomorrow, I think. So we've just been to Sainsbury's, just got back, just grabbed some pizzas for dinner. So I've got these meatless farm ones. I've not tried before, so I've got this ham and mushroom sourdough and a spicy pepperoni sourdough. And then Lucy has just got a Pizza Express margherita, and then I've just got some little hash brown bites, so they're a bit like the tater tots you get from Papa John's. And then I've got some garlic bread as well, and some salad. So I'm going to dish all that up for our quick, easy, lazy Friday night dinner.